Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance with a tool review today. What I want to review is the Milwaukee adjustable hole saw, and that's part number 49560320. I'll put a link in the description for that. You can purchase it off Amazon, but it's also at Home Depot. It's somewhere around $33. I've had this for probably 2 years now, and I checked on YouTube to see what kind of videos there are out there for it. There's not a lot. So I wanted to share this because this is a tool that I've used that I think works tremendously well for what it does. And where this thing shines is it's installing holes in drop ceiling tiles or in drywall. So say you're doing can lights, or I do a lot of cameras and smoke detectors and things like that. I probably use this thing weekly, and I've had it for about 2 years now, and it works flawlessly for me. So I wanted to make sure and share that with you guys. I've had some of these other adjustable hole saws like this of another brand, and they worked okay, but I think there's some features in this one that sets it above some of the other ones, and I'm going to go over that with you. Again, it ranges from 2-inch to 7-inch, but it goes in 1/4-inch increments as you adjust it. It goes from 2 to 2 1/4 to 2 1/2, 2 3/4, and so on until you get to 7. So that's 21 sizes that you get with this one hole saw for $33. If you bought a hole saw kit that did that many sizes, it's going to cost you a significant amount of money. Now, obviously, those are going to allow you to drill through wood and things like that. But if you're someone who just needs a hole saw for drywall and ceiling tile, I don't think that you can beat the price of what you can do with this. They also sell just replacement blades. That comes with the blade and the pilot bit. That is $18. The thing that I like most about this is that it has a toolless size change. So I don't have to have a tool with me to change the size. That was the one thing about the ones I've used previously. I could adjust them to any size I wanted to, but I actually had to use a tape measure and set the size, and then you got to make sure you get it from one side to the center and the other side to the center exactly the same, or you're going to have some issues. And I never liked that about those. Well, this one, all you have to do to change the size, it's got this quick release 1/4-inch chuck bit, just like anything else they sell. You just pull back, pull the drill bit out, and now you can adjust, and you set each side to whatever size you want. Right now it's on 4, so let's say I want to move up to 6. I put this side to 6, put this side to 6, put the drill bit back in, and now once you put that drill bit back in, these will not move. They won't change sizes. And then you just put that back into the quick lock adapter, and now you've got it set. So it's that easy. And then so if I need to go from 6 back to 4 and 4 back to 6, I need no tools. I need nothing else except for what is included in this. Again, it shines in drilling drop ceiling holes. I'll show you that here. So I'll drill a hole into the ceiling tile. This is set up for 2 inches. And a nice thing about this kind of a hole saw too versus a regular is that you never get the piece of material on the inside of your hole saw that you have to dig out. It just falls out, or it comes off extremely easy. So again, I can easily change this now. If I need to go to a 4, I just have to take the drill bit out, bump this up to a 4, which is what I use a lot of times, 4 or 6. Set both sides to 4, put the drill bit through, put it back into my drill, and now I can drill a 4-inch hole. Works extremely well in drop ceiling tile, but it also works well in drywall. Another nice feature that it has as well is dust collection. The package that it comes just like this. It hangs on the peg at the store, but you keep this part. This is trash if you want to get rid of it. And then it comes with this spring-loaded attachment that snaps right into place into the packaging. And then all you do is you drop your drill bit down the inside. It comes through, put that in your drill, place that against the ceiling as you drill the hole, and all the drywall dust falls right into it. I'll show you that in action here. again, guys, it's the Milwaukee adjustable hole saw from 2-inch to 7-inch. $33. You get 21 sizes. Toolless change. Really easy to change and get to the size that you want. No measurements have to be made. It's just a great hole saw altogether. The only downside to it, if I had to give it anything, is every now and then you're going to need some size that's weird. Like 6 3/8 is a standard size sometimes for can lights. I can't get to that on here. Typically the 6.5 will work and the trim will still cover, but every now and then you get that light where it has to be 6 3/8. I can't get that out of this saw, so then I have to use a standard hole saw. But the times that I run into that are very small, and this is almost always what I use for ceiling tile holes and drywall holes. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like this video by liking. Make sure you comment and share if you've got this, if you like it, or maybe you've got another brand that's out there that you think is better than this. Make sure and put that down there in the comments below too, because again, there might be something that's better than this, and we want to make sure and let everybody else know. Thank you guys for subscribing. Those of you who have subscribed, we're getting close to my goal of 1,000. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like tool reviews, how-tos, me watching someone work, I'm going to have all sorts of videos on this channel. I try to color code them, or at least on the thumbnails, explain them in some sort of way in case that's not the kind of video you like to watch, but maybe you like more of the tool talks or the tool reviews and you don't like watching someone work. Well, I try to make it to where you know what the video is, so that if you only like one kind of them, you can just watch those and not have to watch the other ones. But again, I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.